Hello everyone, welcome to Sunset Acres Farm. If you're new here, we're the Smith family, and we moved from a 1/4 acre lot to our now 4-acre homestead about 5 years ago. I'm Emily, and today we are going to be making a family favorite called chicken and chips. Okay, so you're going to start with a can of cream of chicken soup. I made a cream sauce instead, but I didn't film that. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to add 3 cups of diced chicken, and then you're going to also add 1 cup of sour cream. Okay, so you're going to now add 2 tablespoons of salsa. So the recipe originally calls for 1/4 cup of green chilies, but today I'm going to be using pickled jalapenos instead. We like jalapenos and we don't ever keep green chilies on the shelf, so I'm just going to be using jalapenos. So you're going to add a good amount of chips, enough so that it looks like this, and then you're going to add a half a pound of shredded cheese. I used mozzarella, and our mozzarella doesn't shred very well, so I just cubed it, which you'll see later in the video. And so then you're going to go ahead and pour it into the pan, and so you're just going to pour it into the pan and everything, and then you're going to layer chips and mozzarella on top, or any cheese that you prefer. Put your casserole in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, take your casserole out of the oven and eat right away.